to my YouTube channel. Today we are having what here?
Chicken. Jerk chicken, I think, right?
No. Baked chicken.
Okay, baked chicken with some black beans, rice, and some cucumbers around it. Yeah.
We're gonna take a thumbnail. Take a thumbnail. What you say? And what?
I don't know what I was about
Here,
to say.
put it closer. And got a little sauce on the side that I put on my chicken because I'm just in a saucy mood. So we're gonna say a prayer.
Oh, okay. Amen.
Amen. And amen again. Okay.
I have some water.
And I have strawberry melon brisk tea. It's one of my favorite drinks now.
Oh, you like it?
It's real good. You had it before?
I gotta see what the bottle looked like. No, I don't think I had that specific flavor.
But that is banging.
I don't think I ever had a 8 on here like with like a fork besides like the noodles and stuff. And we usually eat those with chopsticks.
Oh, the noodles, yeah. This first time you with a fork?
On here, yeah. It's kind of weird. So what happened to jerk chicken? You didn't make it?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
It's all dolled up.
Did you get 8?
I was going to make sausages with this, but she don't like hot dog sausages, none of that kind of stuff. So I made the chicken instead. You know, the rice, the cucumbers, and the sausages. Yeah, she don't like that. So I had to switch it up a little bit.
I like the rice.
You like the rice?
No, I'm just saying like in general.
Oh, in general?
I like the rice, but sausages not so much.
I love that.
Talia.
The dog is snoring. Don't have anything. But I most definitely love that that meal with the sausages, the rice and cucumbers. I love really having the same thing. They had it earlier. Because I know they like it. Because they actually did a video with me with that before. So I know they like it.
So the sausages is on the side?
Hmm?
The sausages on the side, like how the chicken is?
Mm-hmm. Yep. All together.
Hot sausage?
Smoked sausage. Smoked beef sausage.
Well, I'm not a big fan of that.
No sausage is nothing. Because something she watched.
How many years? Like 6 years ago, and I still have not ate.
Still won't eat a hot dog, nothing.
Dang, I was young too.
You know, that was a quick meal. Go throw a hot dog on that stove. Give it to them.
Yeah, I used to like it, but have y'all seen a video?
Yeah. I'm the one that usually show them videos to stop them from doing stuff. Like what video I showed y'all? The one with the rotten teeth? No. Because she kept eating candy. I showed y'all the kids who was less fortunate, who was starving because they didn't have no food and y'all was wasting food.
I remember that. But now I'm very grateful for the food that she provides. What time is it?
Yeah, because the people out there right now in Texas, I saw this lady online there. She was.
I've seen her.
You seen her?
I mean, I've seen a couple people in there like crying their eyes out.
Yeah, the lady was saying that the government is doing it because they don't want to lose something.
I don't know, but people's roofs are falling through the floor, and
they said
their house is flooding. That's crazy.
They said that the lady took a video of all the people, the workers that's supposed to be working outside to fix the, the electric and all that stuff. They in hotels, like chilling in the back, like they stay in the night there, not even out working. And when she went up and said something to him, he was like, "Well, ma'am, it's not us." So basically, she was saying, "See, the government got them doing this. Don't even want to help us." And she just broke down crying. She said she had her kids sleeping in the car last night trying to heat up, and
that's so sad.
Once the gas ran out, she said they're done because they said there's no gas either. Can't go get no gas. And then one mayor from where was he from? From down there somewhere. He told them they need to suck it up and learn how to survive. Them. Yep, he told them they need to suck it up, learn how to survive and all that stuff. So when they got out, he ended up resigning from his job, his mayor job, because what he said and everybody found out. And then his wife lost her job. They fired her too because of him. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Dang.
No, it's about politics. Yep. Now she out of a job.
I know she. It's crazy because it's not even her fault.
But that's what I'm saying. But we don't know either. Do she feel that way just like he feel that way? He was so open to speak like that, or was it like them period because they was privileged all the time?
Who was privileged? Texas?
Their family. No.
The
mayor and his family.
He resigned.
I actually feel sorry for him.
I do too.
Because they're not used to the stress that
we
go through.
Ice on the road, people falling off the bridges and stuff. That's crazy. You ain't see that video yet? People falling off bridges.
I really ain't want to try to look at it, but now I'm seeing online people saying that they making fun of them.
They are, because they saying like that's what they get for like saying other people be having snow and stuff, but look at y'all now. But I don't think that at all. I think that's crazy. I feel really bad.
Yeah.
Pray for Texas.
Well,
like that's really sad. And some people think it's funny.
A lot of people think it's funny.
I almost broke into tears watching one video. Of these people like crying. This one dude, he said he had to turn the shower on to like get some heat in the house. And the whole room was steaming, and he was just crying. Like, I feel so bad. Why Texas though? Like,
and it's not like Texas ain't had it in over 30 years.
Since the 73, 74, 73, one of them.
And it's like some of them have electric power and all that stuff. Some people don't. That's what some people say they got still.
I wonder what part of Texas, because Texas is really big.
I think it's a lot of the area. Majority of the area, the way it's looking.
Because if Texas is snowing, well, it don't really mean anything. Like, we could be snowing right here, and across the street, it could not be snowing.
Yeah, but yeah. But it's going. It's like they getting hit hard. Like it's like the global warming, like everything is switching around.
Me and James was just talking about that. That's crazy.
But now, it's like everybody got snow now.
Right, because we wasn't getting snow at all for like the past couple years. Yeah, but now we got. Well, I would say specifically last year, we did not get any snow. Man, that was. I missed that.
What, not getting no snow?
Mm-hmm.
And it was warm.
Mm-hmm.
When it was supposed to be cold.
I think that's why we get hit with everything now instead of. I mean, no. I mean, we get hit with the snow now because we didn't get hit last year.
Mm.
Like we had no snow, and we live in New Jersey.
That dog is really snoring.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like every time we go on
She
video
fall
or something, she falls asleep and snore.
She always snores though.
Yeah, but it seems like more when I'm doing the video.
Tara said she want to be shown in the video too, or be heard.
Oh, I'm back to Texas. Even though, like, I'm used to them down here, I still don't want to drive in it.
Like in the snow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't like the snow at all.
Mm-mm.
I don't like the snow.
I can't get used to it. I can't. So.
It depends on how much snow is on the ground for me to drive, or how the consistency of the snow is. Like if it's soft,
I still be scared.
it's fine.
I'm driving 2 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Don't even want to drive that. I be thinking I'm the worst. Like I'm gonna slide into something like that.
Right.
And for somebody that never drove in it before, never even had the experience, and then they trying to do it now.
I feel like they should just not let people on the roads at all down there. That's crazy.
But then they don't have no heat. They don't have nothing. So they trying to.
Wait, yeah. How is that even? Why? Because they don't got snow. Because they got snow.
I said the power went out from the snow.
From the snow.
The lady that was crying, I was telling you about, she said it's not from that. She said the government tried to save something. So.
Save something like what?
Something with their power.
No.
They trying to save something for them.
Save. Okay.
Save, yeah. So.
That's just not.
Helping the people. She was crying, saying they don't care nothing about them.
Ooh. Yeah, there's some people that probably can't even. Wait, somebody posted something on their YouTube about their house being destroyed. Tierra Walker. I gotta watch that. Remind me, I gotta watch Tierra Walker.
Okay.
Oh, do you watch her?
I don't know who that is. She a YouTuber?
Yeah, but she's not really a food. She's a beauty guru, makeup and fashion kind of person.
Oh, she's in Texas stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he hung up on me. But I feel really bad.
This dish was good. I killed it.
I did too. Well, not as killed it as you, but I still got rice on my plate, but everything else got to be gone.
I was greedy. I didn't even share. Sorry, y'all. I couldn't share this one.
Oh, I still got chicken. Hold on 1 second.
That you don't ate half of it? Said I was hungry.
Just one side of it.
I was hungry.
Have some sauce with it. I'm going full.
You always get full fast.
It's my metabolism. It's getting low. This was really good.
Plus, did you eat something earlier there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I didn't eat on. Right, eat on all that.
I had my little noodle thing with the sauce.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That was filling too.
That's why you're not ready to eat really.
I mean, I ate a lot.
You ate a lot, yeah.
For what I usually eat.
Mm-hmm. But, my appetite was to the roof. I was ready.
I think maybe if I didn't eat all day,
you'll be ready.
Yeah.
Crazy. But guys, we came here to eat with y'all today.
Just talk.
Just talk. Yep. Just talk. But there's not much to talk about.
Not today, at least.
Yeah. But all the bad stuff, the negative stuff going on in this world. And who wants to talk about negative stuff all the time?
I just pray that all the negative energy that's going on in the world turns into positive. And I just pray that everyone has a beautiful day or a night, whenever time you're watching this.
Yep. Because we're actually about to end this video. We came to just, chit chat with y'all a little bit and eat a little bit.
And catch up.
We'll be making more videos soon. And don't forget to go to my Instagram, Reeselicious.
Oh, I
39.
Wait, I did follow, right?
You should. I think you did.
I think I did. Yeah.
Reeselicious 39, and I will have it in the video so you guys can see it. Yep.
I'm dead.
So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on social. Why do I mess up every time? You gotta have to click it close. When I close it, you want to cancel that. Do it again.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on those post notifications whenever you. I'm just saying. Yeah, you do it. Yeah, because I never. That's why I never say it.
All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
So you know when the next video will be uploaded.
Until next time.
Bye.
See ya.